Tayong lahat, we want to believe in Jesus, but then sometimes we are stuck in our past traumas. Like yung mga traumas natin before na nag-pray ka kang Lord, pero your father wasn't healed, nag-pray ka kang Lord, nag-ask ka ng help kang Lord, but walang nangyari, or mga bad experiences mo sa life, mga ganyan. So it makes it harder to believe in Jesus Christ. And also, sometimes din we are just humans and we're just scared, like we tell God na, Lord, I believe in you, but I am also scared, God. I am scared na what if I'll make this mistake again? Lord, what if I'll fail again? What if this won't work? Let's just be sincere and honest to God and tell God na, Lord, I'm afraid. I'm afraid to trust you. You know what happened, Lord. I'm scared here, but help me, God. Help me believe again. Help me trust you again. Help me overcome my unbelief, Lord. Help me. Mostly ganyan talaga yung mga prayers ko. And the moment I just surrender and be honest to God, just being raw, unfiltered, I'm not faking, like pouring out talaga kang Lord, being broken kang God. It's a proof na we are humans. We don't have perfect faith. Pero the moment we are honest, raw, unfiltered, and the moment we just confess everything to God, that's enough. That's okay, because yan din talaga mismo yung gusto talaga ni Lord from us. And that's where something powerful starts to change in us.